In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Stripe, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. If you're running a small business or simply need an efficient way to collect payments online, Stripe offers a streamlined and user-friendly option with its payment links feature. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process from start to finish. To get started, we'll need to head over to the Stripe website. Open your favorite web browser and type in Stripe's URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to sign in located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, which will direct you to the login screen. Here you'll be prompted to input your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Go ahead and enter these credentials. Once done, click on the sign in button to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of your dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the payments area. Look at the left-hand menu and find the link labeled payments. Click on it, which will expand the payments section for you. In this expanded section, you'll see a variety of options covering different payment functionalities. We're interested in payment links, so go ahead and click on that option. This will take us to a new page where we can start creating our payment link. On this page, you'll find a create option or button. Click that, and it will prompt you to begin by adding a product. You can either select an existing product or add a new one depending on your specific needs. Once that's set, the platform will walk you through additional configuration options to specify your product details such as name, description, and price. Next up is the selection of any options you prefer. This might include currency settings, any taxes applicable, or adjustments you need. Afterward, you'll see an advanced options button. This is particularly useful if you'd like to customize the experience further with features like setting limits, collecting customer data, or even applying discounts. It's a great way to tailor the payment experience to your specific requirements. After setting all your preferences, review your input to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied with your setup, click on the Pay button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to create the link. Click Create Link to finalize your payment link creation. Finally, a new page will display your payment link. You can copy this link and distribute it via email, social media, or any platform you prefer to reach your customers effectively. And there you have it. In just a few short minutes, you've created a simple and efficient way to collect payments using Stripe's payment link feature. Feel free to revisit or adjust any of your settings as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy transactions.